Hi, I'm Justin with Opting Out of Normal. Stay tuned for our review of the Lake Winnsboro West County Park listed on freecampsites.net. The drive getting back to the park can be a little narrow as it's through a residential neighborhood, and because there's not a lot of big vehicle traffic coming in, the trees can be a little bit overgrown and hang out a little low. But the large expanse that you get when you make it back is well worth it. The peninsula is edged with trees which can be helpful for blocking some winds and unpleasant weather and providing shade if that is what you need. There are several open spots in the trees to get access to great views and bank fishing on the lake, as well as a boat ramp. There are 5 or 6 areas set up with concrete picnic tables, barbecues, and trash cans, but there's no real designated camping spots, and you may find it a bit challenging to get level. There is plenty of space if you want to bring back a large group and do a large group gathering. At 39 feet in length, we didn't have too many issues finding a spot big enough for us. And there was plenty of space for clear open sky, so if you're relying on solar, you should be good to go. There were no designated fire rings, however there was plenty of evidence of ground fires taking place. There is a bathroom building with a gender-designated sides containing flush toilets and a urinal in the men's side, and there is a water spigot with a spring-loaded twist knob for water access. The county does a great job of maintaining grounds, but be aware that there are a lot of anthills in the park. I'll leave you with the footage of us driving out so you can see the trees, but thanks again for watching. If you like the content, be sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell if you want to make sure that you're notified when we post new videos. Until next time, live simply, give more, and expect less.